Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I changed the rear shock spring, and once the shock is removed, it's time to check the chain tension. It may sound a bit strange, but the only way to see if you have a correct chain tension is when the shock is removed. If you tighten the chain according to what the manual says, you are in trouble because you will destroy the bearing of the output shaft because it's far too tight. So the trick is to get 3 points in line, 1, 2, and 3. And once this is done, you have the maximum chain tension. There is quite a bit of play. That's more than enough. And the chain won't get tighter. Whether the swing arm moves up or down, it plays no role. It will never be tighter than this. And once I have installed the shock, I show you what it looks like. Cheers!